Fette Compacting. Be efficient.
Hi! Did you know that you can quickly access a real-time view of production information on your machine, anytime and anywhere? With the SmartInterface by Fette Compacting, you can display your production data directly on your mobile device via web browser with secure connection. Only your own security policy applies to this access via your internal network. Avoid unnecessary contact to the tablet press and keep your production clean. Make decisions on real-time information with the SmartInterface offered by Fette Compacting.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.